Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your audio is playing in the wrong language on Prime Video, it's usually caused by playback settings, app preferences, device language, or content limitations. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix wrong audio language on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, not all titles supports multiple audio languages. Audio defaults may follow device or app language, and some content has limited language options. So most issues means or equals wrong settings or limited availability. So first thing you can do is change audio during playback. So start playing a video, for example, tap the audio and subtitles icon, okay, and select your preferred audio language. Okay, so this is the fastest fix. You can also check default language settings, like go to Prime Video settings, okay, settings, go to or look for languages or language and audio preferences, okay, and set your preferred language so ensures correct default audio. Okay, so check device language, like verify your phone, TV, or browser language. Prime Video may follow system language, okay, so you have to pay attention to that. You can also restart the application, like close Prime Video at all, like remove it from your recent apps and reopen it again. It refreshes audio setting. Okay, so you can also restart your device, like restart your phone, TV, or computer. This fixes temporary playback bags, or update the application as a whole, like go to your store and go to search tab or type Amazon Prime Video and update Prime Video. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.